From custom homes to large-scale commercial rollouts, Chief's Tempo in-wall system is built to handle ultra-wide displays, streamline your install workflow, and give you flexibility before and after drywall. Today we're breaking down why it's become a must-have solution for pro installers. The Tempo in-wall system is fully customizable to fit your needs for each install. Let's take a minute to break down the kit and some of its add-ons. The FPIWMS comes complete with 2 in-wall storage boxes, device storage panels, and TV mounting brackets. The in-wall storage boxes measure 23 by 14 inches and are designed to fit perfectly between 16-inch metal and wood studs. They can also be installed during the drywall rough-in phase using the included stud tab kit. The 2 included device storage panels measure 15 by 10 inches each and are compatible with Middle Atlantic's small device mounting clamps. These allow you to position any device behind the TV before installing it inside the wall box. Each wall box includes 3 knockout options, which can be used to install power or low voltage cabling. Placing small devices inside the box is easy with Chief's lateral shift technology. This allows for the panels to be moved right or left on a built-in track depending on where you need the items placed. If your job calls for more storage, the in-wall boxes can be ordered separately and installed alongside the original boxes. Once everything is set up inside the box, the wall mount portion can be installed. This wall mount can accommodate 65-inch and up displays. Since the boxes can be installed further apart, this gives you almost unlimited options on the size of TVs. The mount is also rated for up to 250 pounds. As I mentioned before, the Tempo system is fully customizable to fit your needs. All the items I've covered in this video can be ordered separately or in various packages, giving you the flexibility to outfit the project any way your client needs. The Tempo in-wall system from Chief is an installer's dream. Give it a try with your next install and see how far it can take you. If you're wanting to have this system installed in your home or business, Davis recommends reaching out to a local home AV installer. They have the tools and knowledge to get you set up right. Thanks for tuning in. Please make sure to log in to davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a product spotlight, Orange Couch Crush, or our latest podcast episode. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.